Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to update organizational units based on departments in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. In today's fast-paced business landscape, maintaining an efficient organizational structure is crucial for success. As departments evolve and grow, it becomes necessary to update and align organizational units accordingly. With the advent of advanced automation tools like xFanatical Foresight automation tool, this process can be streamlined and made significantly more efficient. How to update organizational units based on departments in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Instructions. Rule 1. Bulk update users OU based on their department information. This rule exports users with a CSV file having two columns, the primary email and the department. Rule 2. Automate the process of updating users' organizational units when their department information changes. Creation of the rule. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select Manual Trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Users action. Select Email and Department columns. Keep all other fields at their default settings. Click Review. Step 3. Give the rule name. Click Create. This was the first part of Rule 1. Triggering of the rule. Click on the Upload icon to trigger the rule to download the CSV file. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on it, then select Show All. Additionally, access the Logs page from the left sidebar to discover logs of successful rule triggers. You can click on Click Here to download the CSV file. Proceed to create the second part of Rule 1. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the Data Uploaded trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. In the Edit Trigger screen, leave all settings at their defaults. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click on the If action. Choose Department as the variable type and Text Contains as the operator. Then, name your organizational unit as IT. Step 3. Click Add Next Action, then choose the Move User to Organizational Unit action. Enter the email in the user's primary email field and social media into the new Organizational Unit field. Navigate to the If action and add a fallback branch. Then, click Add Next Action again. Step 4. Select the Move User to Organizational Unit action. Repeat the same steps. Enter the email in the user primary email field and social media in the new Organizational Unit field. Then, click on Review to proceed. Step 5. Enter the rule name and click Create. Triggering of the rule. Upload the same CSV file again and wait for it to finish uploading. Check the Logs page to verify the execution of the rule. Let's create the second rule. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the User Department to change Trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Leave the User Primary field as default, then click Next to proceed. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Get User Info action. Enter the User Primary email in the Primary Email field. Click Add Next Action. Step 3. Select the If action. Again, select Department as the variable type and Text Contains as the operator. Give a name for your organizational unit. Click Add Next Action. Step 4. Select the Move Organizational Unit action. Enter Marketing in the Organizational Unit path and Tech Writing in the Move to field. Next, navigate to the If action and add the fallback branch. Step 5. Click Add Next Action and then select the Move Organizational Unit action. Enter Marketing in the Organizational Unit path and Tech Writing in the Move to field. Click Review. Step 6. Give the rule a name. Click Create. Triggering of the rule. Before triggering the rule, update the user information in the admin console. Provide a name for the department and save the changes. After that, you can trigger the rule. Verifying the result. Once the rule is triggered successfully, you'll receive a notification confirming its execution. In the action history, you'll see that the organizational unit has been moved from marketing to tech writing. This rule automatically updates user information when there's a change in department. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, Subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.